What was your drug of choice?
So adrenaline. Adrenaline's always my drug of choice. I just changed on how I chase the adrenaline.
Well, how did you get adrenaline?
So I've tried a lot of drugs. A lot of the harder ones I actually did not like. I was scared of doing stuff. I've never put a needle in my arm. I've tried pills, coke, and all that, but I didn't like a lot of those things. My worst of addiction was K2, the synthetic weed you could buy out of gas stations a while back ago, and cough medicine. Like spice and cough medicine. I was smoking almost an ounce of the fake weed a day and popping like 4 boxes of Chloroseed and Cold, like 64 cough pills a day. I was shutting down my organs, and this was like coming out of high school as I was graduating high school.